Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the profit and loss account module. The profit and loss report help you understand whether your business made a profit or a loss during a selected period. So we have a date filter which helps you view the details, or if we can say a profit and loss account for that specific period of time. Then we have the report, in which left side is our purchase and expense side, which contains things like purchase accounts or indirect expense, gross profit and net profit. And on the right side is our income side, which contains gross loss and gross profit and other things. As well as you do your entries, ledgers will appear here, and the profit and loss and gross profit or gross loss will be calculated on the basis of that. Then we have gross profit and gross loss. The system automatically compares income and purchase related accounts to calculate your gross profit and gross loss. If income is higher than purchase, then gross profit is shown. If purchase and direct expense are higher, then gross loss is shown. Then we have net profit and net loss. Basically, net profit and net loss is calculated after also calculating indirect expense and indirect income. Then at the end, we have a download button on the right side, right bottom, which help you download the whole report in the Excel. Then to summarize this, the left side of the profit and loss report show purchase and expense, while the right side shows income. The report automatically calculates gross profit, gross loss, net profit, net loss on the transaction recording during the selected period. Thank you so much for watching.